Welcome to part 4 of how and why we all need to navigate tough or hard conversations. In this section, we're going to apply the 5-part framework or give examples of how you can use that framework in the real world. So I want to give you some simple examples that set you up for success so you can see how to use the framework in the real world. So example number 1, let's assume that somebody is underperforming. Somebody on your team, somebody in your company. For some reason, there's this underperformance issue. You might start the conversation by saying something like, "You missed 3 deadlines last month." Then share, "The story I'm telling myself is that you're disengaged, and I'd like to hear your perspective." That's a simple way for you to introduce that conversation so that person feels less defensive and they feel like you're open to hearing their side of the story. Scenario number 2 might be negotiating client expectations. So you might open with something like, "I'd like us to align better on timelines." Then state your need. "I need clear approvals by the set deadlines to meet your goals." It's very clear. It's simple. People know what you're asking for. You're not putting people on the defensive and you're more likely to have a successful outcome. Scenario number 3, let's pretend we're 2 co-founders who are struggling with a particular issue. You might share, "The story I've told myself is that we're not on the same page about priorities. Can we clarify where we stand?" When you say something like this, again, you're not putting the person on a defensive. You're not accusing them of anything. You're opening yourself up to rewriting or writing a story together. It's very important that when you have these tough conversations, you keep the other person's emotions regulated. You need to control your emotions. You need to use words that are less likely to get them on the defensive. So when you use the 5-step framework, it can be very, very helpful in making sure that the other person doesn't feel blame and they're in a position to collaborate. In the next video, we'll explore why conflict is an opportunity for growth and not a threat.